To get to net zero will require a huge amount of change across the UK, both in its energy network and in terms of human behaviour. The purpose of the DCC is to capture and transmit all of the data, the consumption data and usage data from the smart meter population across Great Britain to a central network that forms the digital backbone for the UK's smart energy system. 24/7, 365 days a year, our energy systems are there providing the required amount of energy to meet demand, so that when we get up and we switch the light on, the light comes on. What we're building now is a digital backbone for that network to enable it to react and be flexible to accommodate weather-dependent generation. We are an essential step in being able to digitise the UK's energy system, and we have to change it into a form which is much more able to respond to changes in demand, and it's able to accommodate new sources of generation. It enables the customers and business owners to get access to smart tariffs. It enables them to start the journey of changing their behaviours in the way in which they use energy.
Our Technical Operations Centre is right at the heart of DCC. It's a heartbeat sense of how well the network is performing, and it's our critical eye and early indication of any concerns that we may have on the network. With the data that we carry, and we carry 4.5 billion transactions a month across our network, we can interact and look to improve overall performance, both from a consumer perspective and also on a direct energy supplier performance basis.
We have a wide area network that covers the whole of Great Britain, and we reach 99.3% of all premises in Great Britain. We have a network which is super secure, and it's having a real impact. We've now got some 21.5 million meters installed on the network, and indeed I think we will have 30 million meters on the wall within the next 12 months, if not sooner.
What we're building is a digital spine for the energy system that really does enable decarbonisation in the net zero journey. I often say our role in the DCC is to enable innovation, to support those innovators that want to bring new services and new capabilities that help digitise the energy system to the UK marketplace.
We're doing something here which is about the public good, and that sits at the heart of what makes me personally beat. I want to do things that actually add value to society, and the outcome here is hugely beneficial to society.
When this kind of change happens, we will be working in a very, very new world. It'll be faster, it'll be more adaptive, it'll be more flexible. That is ultimately what net zero is all about, changing our behaviours.